Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the 3 different ways how you can make an emergency SOS call on the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen and then go into settings. Next tap on emergency SOS and also turn on call with side button. This will give you an additional method to raise an emergency call. Now once this is switched on, I will show you the 3 different ways. So the first way to call an emergency is to press on the side button 5 times rapidly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that will raise an emergency SOS call. So that is one way to do it. Now another way to do it is to press on the side button and one of the volume keys, press and hold. So it can be either the volume up key or the volume down key. So press and hold for 5 seconds. So press and hold, and you can see it. You can cancel anytime you want by simply letting go of the buttons and tap on cancel. Now another way to do it is simply press and hold, and then you can swipe this one across to raise the emergency call. So those are the 3 different ways how you can make an emergency calls on your iPhone 12. So what happens when you raise an emergency call? So basically when you do this, it will immediately call your emergency local number. So depending on the region that you live in, the number will be different. So in my case, it will be 000. In your case, if you are in the United States, then it will call 911. And that's it. So that's how you can make an emergency call on your iPhone 12. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.